So welcome to my tutorial on how to upload a movie and put it on your blog. First of all, go to the Moodle. Go to whichever class you're in. I'm going to choose 8th grade because you guys are uploading movies first. Over on the side here, where I have my cursor moving around, see where it says Class FTP Info? You need this. This tells you the account of how to log in to the Class FTP account so you can upload movies, pictures, sound files, just about anything that you want to go on your blog. You're going to use Fetch on the Mac. On the PCs, you will use Core FTP. It does the same thing, just looks a little different. And on the iPads, you're going to use FTP View. Pretty much does the same thing. So I'm going to put in this information, rm604 at educatorowl.com. Password is Gonzalez rm604. And you don't need this bottom thing. I don't need it either, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then you're going to connect. Once you connect, here's the important part. Pick what it is you're uploading, whether it's images, sound files, or videos. We're going to do our biome videos. Pick the period you're in. This is important. And pick what group you're in. Don't just leave things out here because I delete those when I clean up. So I'm going to pretend I'm G1. And there's already stuff there. Please don't move them because every year kids use these accounts. And they want to have their stuff still in here. So you don't delete anything. You put it in the right folder, in the right period, and in the right format. This is videos. So I'm going to take my biomes video and I'm going to drop it in there. Just drag it and drop it and it will upload. So you can see at the bottom here, a little fetch dog is running, fetching your movie to the server, and it tells you how many megabytes you're uploading and how long it's taking and how fast it's working. So you can see right now on the little donut, it's halfway done. So while that's working, I'm going to come back here because now I need to find my movie. And the important thing is right here. Once you upload to educatorowl.com, here's where you will find your images, movies, podcasts, whatever. So I'm going to type that in. Starts with HTTP, educatorowl.com. Then it goes RM604. Then this one is it was videos, and I did period 3 G1. I'm going to wait till it's uploaded. It's uploaded. Now that it's uploaded, I can quit Fetch or Core FTP. I don't need it. I hit return over here on Firefox, and it's going to do this. Now, here's my movie. I just uploaded it. So I click on it, and it's going to start downloading for me to actually view it. But all I need to copy is the URL. See how I highlighted this right here? You got to highlight the whole thing and copy. And I'm going to open up a new window. Put in mrgonzalez.org. Go to my blog. Then I have to go to me. So find your name here and go to it. I'm going to log into my account because I don't have one on yours. So I'm going to put in my password, just like you would put in yours, after you click on your page. Don't forget, click on your page first. I'm going to go to articles. Just make sure this isn't going to start making noise. And this is, by the way, how you check to make sure your movie actually is playing correctly and it works. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, so since I'm on a Mac, I don't have to be in the text view. I can be in the graphical view. From the graphical view, I can insert pictures. Movies are a little bit differently, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And for that, unfortunately, we do need to go to text. So I'm going to call this biome video, and I'm going to say a little something. Here is a movie my team made on the desert biome. Then I got to put in the code. So the code goes like this. And I'm going to, let's see here, zoom in a bit so you can see this better. Embed, and then space. This is important. Then I'm going to put src for source equals open quotes. Now I'm pasting the movie file here, and then I'm closing the quotes. Now this next part I'm going to do auto start equals false, because otherwise the movie will start automatically, and that drives people nuts to have things play automatically and make noise. Now your movie file has a certain width and height, and here's how you find that out. Open up your movie in QuickTime, and then go to, look at that, when I had longer hair. Go to Show Movie Properties under Window, and this should give you the size of your movie. No, well, maybe it's not this one. What about Show Movie Inspector? See what that one has. That one says normal size 640 by 480. So now that you know the size of your movie, we're going to put width. Keep the width the same, 640. Let me zoom in here. But for the height, you want the controls to show, so make the height just a little bit longer. 640 by 480. I'm going to make the height 520. Just a little bit longer. This way, it'll look good. Now I'm going to hit return, and you should put a caption under here. I want you to get into the habit when you're putting pictures, have a caption with a link back, like in my iPad movie tutorial, so you can always have something to explain what your movie and what your pictures are. Okay, put a caption here. Now that's one way to do a video if you want it to show right on your blog. The second way to do it is you can scroll down here. Now you're going to think, this is easier, Mr. G. Why didn't you have us do that? You could just paste your podcast URL right here. Paste it right there. The only reason I'm showing you both is because this one up here puts the movie right into your blog, whereas this one down here puts these two buttons under your blog that people have to click on. You know what? No big deal. You can choose either way. Don't do both. Choose one or the other. And then save your article, and if you want me to see it, you can publish it. All right? So you can pause this movie and rewind it on any part of this to do this for your blog. And thank you for viewing this tutorial.